Hello everyone, I'm Akif Nawaz. In today's class, our focus will be on first conditional sentences, which are also called as type 1. So, we use this grammatical structure when we talk about real possible future. So, such kind of instances, such kind of grammatical structure is used when we talk about something that will be reality in future. So we'll be explaining this concept with the help of examples, and if you have any concern about conditional sentences, make sure to watch the videos that we made on conditional sentences, and we also discussed type 0, means zero conditionals. So these first conditional sentences are used when we talk about real possible future. We'll be trying to explain with the help of examples. So I've written these examples in front of you. So let's analyze both these examples and we'll find out why am I saying that these are first conditional sentences. So the first one is, if you exercise daily, you will stay healthy. Now here, if we look at this example, we have this condition that if you exercise daily, so what will happen in future? And this will be in the reality. This will actually happen. You will stay healthy. So we can say that here we talk about real possible future, that you will stay healthy, and it is the possibility in reality. Now the next one is, if it rains, this is actually the condition. We will stay at home, and this is the real possible future. So this is actually the function of first conditional sentences. Now let's look at the structure of it. So first of all, the first chunk we have is the if clause. If clause always begins with if. The second one is the main clause. Main clause actually does not depend, or it does not require any other thing in a sentence to give us meaning. For example, if I remove this, you will stay healthy. We get a kind of sense. It makes meaning. We will stay at home. Again, it's a main clause because it makes sense without depending on any other thing in a given sentence. Now, if we look at the tense, tense is very important because when we were talking about zero conditionals, here in which when we were talking about zero conditionals, so we discussed that both the clauses were in present simple tense. But here, the difference is the first clause is in present simple tense, as we can see here. You exercise, it rains. So both these examples are from present simple tense, and the next, the main clause, will stay healthy and will stay at home. Now this is future simple sentence. So simply we can say that in first conditional type, we have two clauses and both the clauses are in different tenses. The first one will be in present simple. The second one will be in future simple. And we can also shuffle these clauses. We can come up with the main clause first and then we can talk about the if clause at the end. But we will not be putting the comma in the middle. So that's it about first conditional or type 1, and type 2 will be discussed in the upcoming lectures. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.